In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track project tasks with this pre-built table here in Google Sheets. So if you're looking for those pre-built tables that will help you to track the progress within your projects, here's how you can do it. So I have this example pre-built table right here. This is the actual pre-built table that you will get when you do insert one in your spreadsheet. So to quickly insert this, what you're going to do is to go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Pre-built Tables. So let me just quickly insert a new sheet. There we go. So this is where we're going to insert that pre-built table. Go back to Insert, select Pre-built Tables, and that will open your Tables panel on the right side. So we have so many different types of pre-built tables that you can definitely use to get started with your spreadsheet. And for this one, we're just going to go to the fourth row right here, which will say Project Management. So under Project Management, we have 4 different types of tables that you can use, and the second one would be the one that we need. So to quickly insert that, just go to the right side and click on Insert. There you have it. So let me just close this off, and here we go. So we have 2 of the same pre-built tables inserted on Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. So for each of these pre-built tables, all of them are of course editable, easy for you to edit and make your own. If there's a column that you don't need, let's say the owner right here, we can just quickly go to the drop down on the right side of each of those headers and just select Delete Table Column at the bottom. And there you have it. Also, like in any other type of pre-built tables that we have here in Google Sheets, everything here is editable. You can edit the table itself or edit the columns within that table. That is not a problem. If you want to add more rows or columns to this table, that is also not an issue. And with that, you can definitely get started. You don't have to start from scratch. All you have to do is enter the task, label what type of priority it is, the status, the start date, end date, milestone, deliverable, and some notes if you need to. Again, everything is editable. If you don't need it, you can simply delete it, or you can also format it in any way you want. And that's how easy it is. You can track project tasks with this pre-built table here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you can definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.